Hey guys, Austin Volek here, and right now I'm going to do a bike check. The grips are ODI LongNecks with Kink Lite bar ends, Shadow Vultus bars, 8 rise with a 28 width, Primo Aneyerlator stem with a Kink integrated headset, Shadow Vultus top cap with Shadow Vultus forks, Fit Faf tire, Fit FAF tire, whatever you want to call it. We also have the Odyssey Vandero front wheel that's the front hub, and the Odyssey Hazard rim. Still have it, I just painted it all black. With the Odyssey Vandero2 Hub Guard, if you can see that right there. I also have 2 Shadow Little One pegs in the front, and 3 pegs.
Ghetto celebrity, cause I write my name on walls. I'm an artist to the hardest, illegally being me. I've been doing this since BDP made P is free. The Krylon Don, getting it on, I'm still bombing. Hated by people saying vandalism's a problem.
The frame is a Haro SD Downtown frame. Best frame ever. If you're looking at it, you definitely should get it. And it's 20.5. The seat is a Duo Status Rogue seat with animal pivotal seat post. It was purple, I just painted it once again. I also painted the cranks black, the same fit indent cranks, 19mm, animal Hamilton plastic PC pedals, the tree sprocket. I did do a review on that, you should go check that out.
Backpack, living hip hop, I'm more than just another rap act. King of the year with my P&V gear, doing pieces, no fear, going there from out of nowhere.
I also have the Shadow Halfling chain, and in the back it's a KHE Astern free coaster hub laced to a Odyssey Hazard rim, 48 spokes. A little bit of weight, but I'd rather have a good wheel together other than just weight. I also have a Shadow bottom bracket, for that, so that doesn't really matter. Yeah, that's about it. I also have a Odyssey Arron tire in the back and some Kink peg in the back.
Styles only get fresher. We do big things with big letters. Pay homage to the bombers, artists to the hardest. Writing never biting with misdemeanors for charges. Content's under pressure. Styles only get fresher.
This is my bike. Once again, if you have any questions, just comment and ask them. Also like my video, share it, and go check out all my other videos. More edits to come. There is one in the making, so look out for that. Thanks for watching. Peace.